The cars to avoid due to their complexity and maintenance costs are numerous, but some stand out particularly because of the advanced technology they are equipped with, making their upkeep difficult and expensive. The Audi Q7 2006-2015, although popular, is a real headache for mechanics due to its complex electronic systems, particularly the engine management, transmission, and air suspension, which are often sources of costly breakdowns. The BMW 7 Series 2008-2015 is no exception, with its electronic issues, especially with the air suspension and the gearbox, making maintenance delicate and costly. The Range Rover 2010-2018, famous for its off-road capabilities, poses recurring technical problems, especially due to its air suspension and complex electronic systems. It's a nightmare for mechanics who often have to replace expensive parts and deal with long repairs. The Mercedes-Benz S-Class 2014-2020 is also a model that attracts luxury enthusiasts, but its cutting-edge technology, although impressive, presents considerable challenges for mechanics. Systems like autonomous driving and active suspension require specialized equipment for repairs. The Porsche 911, 2012, 2016, although a performance model, is not exempt from complex mechanical issues. Engine and transmission repairs require specific expertise and the use of expensive parts. Finally, the Fiat 500L 2012-2019, a city car, suffers from recurring problems with the transmission and engine. Although smaller and less expensive than the other models mentioned, it remains complex to maintain, which can lead to higher than expected repair costs. These models are representative of cars that, while offering a quality driving experience, can quickly become a burden for their owners due to their mechanical and electronic complexity. If you are considering buying one of these vehicles, it is essential to thoroughly check their maintenance history and budget for substantial maintenance costs. Mechanics faced with these vehicles often prefer to avoid working on them due to the time, tools, and additional costs involved. Always ensure you thoroughly inspect the condition of both the electronic and mechanical systems before committing to purchasing such a complex car.